Welcome to this video demonstration of maintenance forecasting using the As Maintained structure. As a service technician, I'll use Teamcenter to forecast and simulate the gripper assembly's maintenance due date. By adjusting characteristic values and simulating utilization within its As Maintained structure, we can accurately predict future maintenance needs, ensuring proactive service and improved equipment reliability. As the service technician, I'll use the global search to find the gantry service assembly. This helps to save time by quickly finding the related objects using the global search in Active Workspace. From the search results, let me open this specific assembly to view the overview, content, and tasks. To interact with and simulate assembly, I'll click Gripper. This direct access enables quick simulation and analysis, helping streamline maintenance planning and improve decision-making based on real-time data. To simulate and display the maintenance due date, I'll navigate to the Maintenance Forecast page. This page provides a clear overview of predicted service timelines based on usage data, helping ensure timely interventions and optimized equipment performance. Finally, I enter the required simulation characteristics and click the Show Maintenance Due button. This instantly calculates and displays the maintenance due date, enabling quick, data-driven service planning. With Teamcenter Active Workspace, gripper assembly maintenance can be efficiently forecasted by simulating utilization within its As Maintained structure, enabling proactive planning and reduced downtime. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.